Hey everybody, how are y'all doing today? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Wanted to get some feedback from everyone on the channel and see if maybe I'm thinking everything through the way I ought to, but I am considering adding another motorcycle. I do have the Road Glide Special. It's a wonderful bike. I do not plan on getting rid of it. It is a great touring machine. I've got a Advan Black Tour Pack that I just put on, so I posted a little video for it, and it is great so far. Still waiting on Harley to get my lock for it, so it'll be keyed with the rest of the bike, but it has been ordered. It should have been in last week and it is still not here, so I'll do a video on that when it gets here. But for right now, I'm definitely not interested in selling this motorcycle. I plan on keeping it for a long time, but I am looking at adding another motorcycle. So a couple of the criteria that I'm looking for is something that is smaller and more nimble, something that I can do a build out on and do some learnings and be able to post some videos and have others be able to learn either from what I've done well or learn from some of the things that I messed up and maybe they can do better at. Also looking at something I can do some moto camping on. My son and I be able to run around and do some of that. That's my little Harley Davidson clock revving up in the background if you hear it. My daughter bought that for me for my birthday, so it's pretty cool. So anyway, but looking at something that is I can build out, that I don't want to say it'll be a bar hopper, but sort of in that style, maybe a club style bike, somewhere up in there, maybe something with some little ape hangers on it, you know, just something to have fun on. Been looking. I have 3 different bikes in mind. One of the bikes that I have in mind, and I've got me some notes right here, is and I'll post a picture, but it is a Softail Slim. I'll post a picture right there. Good bike. I've seen on YouTube some people have done some build outs on those. It does take a lot of work to get those, in my opinion, to where I think maybe I would want them to be built out to, but they're absolutely wonderful looking bikes. I don't really care for them in the 100% in the stock form, but they are nice bikes. They are definitely a good platform to build off of, and they can look amazing when they're done. The next motorcycle that I'm looking at is a Street Bob, and I'll post a picture here. This is a great bike. You can go ahead and change out. You can do different handlebars on it. I think it's already got 10-inch mini apes on it now. I think you can go up to 12s is what I've heard, without having to lengthen any wires or cables or anything. Don't hold me to that. But if I do end up getting that bike, I might try, and we'll see if if that holds true or not. But that is one of the bikes that I'm looking at. It is a great bike, pretty quick bike. It's one of those bikes that you've got to hold on the engines on these bikes. 107s, 114s, and 117. And one of the bikes I'm looking at is they're pretty stout engines, I should say, for the smaller, lighter frames. So they're fairly quick bikes. The last bike that I'm looking at is a Lowrider S. I'll put a picture here. That bike has the biggest engine out. It's 2022 with the 117. The 21s and older, I believe, all came with the 114s up until, I don't remember. I'm not a Harley guy that knows every spec and all that, but I think since 20 they came with the 114s. Could have been 19. I don't know. All good looking bikes. They all can be built out. But I'm really interested in what you guys think. Should I buy another bike? If not, what other things would you like me to do to this bike? I've been considering doing a stereo upgrade, amps, speakers, and all that. Nothing huge. I just want to be able to hear it going 80 miles an hour down the freeway easily. So really that would be that on that bike. But back to the others, is there another bike you would recommend me looking at? Not too particular. I do like the Harleys though. I like the brand, I like the lifestyle, but it is expensive. They are expensive bikes. So anyway, if y'all would think through there, let me know. And if y'all see something or think of a different bike that might be a good bike to build out on, let me know. Post in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. Please share the videos, and I appreciate it, and I hope everyone has a blessed day.